What are Galway city's must-visit restaurants and pubs? Imagine walking through a lively city where every corner offers a new taste or a song that makes you want to dance. Galway is just that kind of place, full of energy and flavor. If you're wondering where to eat and drink during your visit, you're in the right spot. Galway has a mix of cozy pubs, stylish restaurants, and lively venues that showcase Irish culture and fresh local ingredients. One popular spot is Dela. It's known for its warm, inviting atmosphere and all-day dining. You can enjoy hearty brunches like wild mushrooms on garlicky ciabatta with a poached egg or a slow-braised lamb dinner in the evening. Be prepared for a short wait because it's so popular, but it's worth it. Near the medieval city center, Kirwan's Lane is home to the seafood bar at Kirwan's. This restaurant is in a restored 16th century building and specializes in fresh seafood from local markets. It's a relaxed yet elegant place, and booking ahead is recommended because it gets busy quickly. Kai Restaurant is another must-visit. It has earned a Michelin Bib Gourmand award for its focus on local, seasonal ingredients. The menu changes daily, reflecting what's fresh and available. Chef Jess Murphy, originally from New Zealand, creates dishes that are both innovative and comforting. For a more traditional Irish experience, Ard Bia at Nimmo's is perfect. Near the Spanish Arch, it combines Irish and international flavors using local produce, making each dish special. If you want a classic Galway pub, McSwiggan's is a great choice. It's been around for many years and has a rustic, friendly vibe. They serve dishes like mussels from Killary Fjord and roasted half-duck with seasonal vegetables, all made with local ingredients. Galway's pubs are lively places, often filled with traditional Irish music, storytelling, and a good selection of local beers and whiskies. Rúibín Bar and Restaurant, located on the historic Docklands, is known for its seafood and modern setting. Their clam chowder is highly praised and perfect after a day exploring the city. Kirwan's Lane also functions as a pub, offering a cozy atmosphere with a touch of elegance. Many pubs host live Irish music sessions, making it easy to enjoy authentic Irish culture while sipping a pint. Galway's food and drink scene is lively and diverse, reflecting its young population and welcoming visitors. Whether you want fine dining, hearty pub food, or a place to enjoy traditional music, Galway has options that will make your trip memorable. From fresh seafood to lively pubs, this city offers a taste of Ireland that you won't forget.